Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you all my 10 habits for keeping a clean home. So let's be real here. I'm only human. I am not clean and tidy all the time. My house usually looks like a disaster. These are the habits I like to follow when I just want things to be more organized and look tidy, because it just gives me a better frame of mind. Are you guys with me? First, before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you to my awesome subscribers. I'm getting super close to 500 subscribers and I want to do a giveaway. So if you guys are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload videos. And that's all you have to do to be entered for the giveaway. So as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I will let you guys know when I'm going to do the giveaway. And you will just have to be subscribed. You'll have to give that video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So I just want to say thank you to my already awesome subscribers. I have the sweetest people. I get the sweetest comments and it just makes my day. Seriously, you guys have no idea. And I have a question for you. Leave it in the comments below. What are your favorite kinds of cleaning videos to watch? Mine are kitchen videos. I don't know why. I'm obsessed with kitchens. We recently got our kitchen remodeled, so I just love seeing everyone's kitchens. So those are my favorite. Let me know what you guys love watching and I'll do more of those videos. All right guys, enough rambling. Let's get into it. All right guys, my first habit is make your bed every morning. This takes literally seconds and it's just gonna make your whole room look neater. I just feel more organized and just in a better mood when I look over and see that my bed is made. I don't know what it is, but I feel like this helps out so much. My tip number 2 is to wipe down the bathroom counters and put everything away. So this is right after I had just finished doing a little bit of makeup and I just did my hair and I just kind of had stuff all over the countertop. And usually what happens is I get ready before I take the girls to school and then I just kind of leave everything, and then once I get home from dropping them off at school, then I just come home and kind of tidy up. And it just makes me feel better. When I walk into that bathroom throughout the day, it just looks nice and neat. So I feel like the less stuff you have on the countertops, the better you feel. And I'm just gonna wipe down my mirrors and I'm using my Caldrea countertop spray. I will do a close-up for you guys when I get to the kitchen, so stay tuned for that. I'm obsessed with this spray. It smells so good and my bathroom smelled like this all day long. And my tip number 3 is always put your shoes away and possibly get a shoe organizer. This one here is from IKEA. I've had it for years and you can kind of see the bottom part is a little bit broken, but it's awesome. You can put stuff in that top drawer. I'm not going to open it because it's pretty messy, and I've got a spot for my shoes and then my husband's shoes are down here at the bottom. I will link this down below if I can find it for you guys. And then my tip number 4 is find a weekly cleaning routine that you like and stick with it. I found this on Pinterest. I will link it down below for you guys. And I also have a weekly cleaning routine video and I will link that down below as well. But I feel like if you find a weekly cleaning routine you like, then just stick with it and it makes things so much easier. All right, my tip number 5 is declutter and purge often. We have tons of mail and paperwork and sometimes I just let it pile up. I try not to, but right now I'm just going through all of our mail. I'm setting my husband's stuff aside and I have a spot for our mail. I'll show that to you in a second. So I'm just kind of going through, this is kind of a catch-all little basket in the kitchen, and I'm just going through and kind of getting rid of stuff. There's toys in there and just throwing away paperwork and stuff that does not need to be there. And my habit number 6 is have a place for your mail and paperwork. This is our current setup right now. It's not ideal, like it's not the prettiest, but it works. So I have a drawer for my husband, I have a drawer for myself, and then I have a drawer for the kids. So the kids drawer doesn't have much in it. It's just mostly like paperwork, or like maybe I'll put like some of their school stuff in there. It's just nice to have a spot where all the paperwork can go. So if you ever lose something, you know where to find it. All right guys, this is probably my favorite. Habit number 7 is watch cleaning videos. These get me so motivated. There are a bunch of people on YouTube that I am so enjoying watching, so I will link some of their videos down below in their channels, and this just gets me so motivated. I'll just go through and whatever I want to conquer for the day, I'll kind of look for that. I'll search for it on YouTube and watch that video, and after I get done watching it, I am ready to go. So this has been so helpful with getting me motivated. All right, habit number 8 is wipe down your kitchen countertops and island. I feel like if my island is clean, I am in a better state of mind. I just feel happier. So yeah, here's that Caldrea countertop spray. I got it off of Grove. It came in a little Hostess bundle with dish soap and hand soap. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out, but it smells amazing. It'll make your whole house smell wonderful. So yeah, I just feel like if you have your countertops clean and the clutter is away, it just makes me feel better. It makes my house feel cleaner. Even if my house isn't spotless, if that countertop and island is clear, it just looks better. Habit number 9 is do the dishes and try to have a clean sink. So I do the dishes usually 3 times a day. I like to do them after breakfast, lunch, and dinner just because I like to have my sink clean. I hate when the dishes pile up, but if you can't do it that often, it's fine. Just do it a couple times a day, whatever is comfortable for you. I just feel like if my sink is clear, I feel like things are cleaner, and then I try to wash my sink at least once a day. Today I did it in the middle of the day just to show you guys, but normally I do it at night once I clear out my sink for the night. And then I just like to put all my dishes away and just have the sink nice and clean. And I get asked a lot about these little caddies. I found these on Amazon. I will put a link down below for you guys to check out too, and they're super inexpensive. And I'm cleaning the sink with the Caldrea dish soap, and it smells exactly the same as the countertop spray, and it just makes everything smell wonderful. So I've been really enjoying using this stuff. All right, guys, habit number 10 is fast vacuums throughout the day. My little Dyson V7, this makes vacuuming so easy. And I like to vacuum usually twice a day in our main living areas. We get a lot of crumbs and the girls play with stickers, and I just like to vacuum. It just makes things look nice and clean, and I love those vacuum lines. Call me crazy, but I just feel like vacuuming makes it look so much cleaner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. I hope you enjoyed it. And hey, if you're still watching, will you do me a favor and leave in the comments below your favorite emoji? I just want to see who's still watching. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!